Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make bacon in the air fryer. Making bacon in the air fryer is a quick and easy way to enjoy it. There's less mess, it's perfectly crispy, you're gonna love it. To make our bacon, we need to get out our air fryer and place it on a well-ventilated surface. There's different styles and sizes of air fryers, and based off what you have, that's how much bacon you're gonna be able to fit in yours. In our air fryer, we're gonna put 6 slices of bacon in there. We need to make sure there's a little space in between because they are an air fryer, they need that airflow. If you need to cut that bacon in half to get it to fit in the basket, then do it. The goal is get the bacon in the basket. Our bacon is in the basket. You can see some of it's curled up a little bit. That's okay. Bacon shrinks up quite a bit when it cooks. Slide that basket back in. Set your air fryer anywhere from 370 to 380. And for this regular thickness bacon, we're gonna cook that for 7 minutes. Then go ahead and hit start and let that cook and smell up your home. We don't need to flip it, we don't need to wipe up grease splatters, which makes this method so amazing. If you like your bacon a little more wiggly, pull it out sooner, and if you like that bacon super crunchy, make sure to give it that full 7 to 8 minutes. For thicker bacon, you're gonna wanna cook that for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Now it really is just that simple, and who doesn't love a good simple bacon? But have you ever had candied bacon? I have a love for candied bacon, you guys. Like, deep love. And Rachel has an amazing recipe over on the website for a spicy candied bacon. Now let me show you how to make that. To make the candied bacon, take 1/4 cup of brown sugar and mix that with about 1/2 cup of maple syrup and 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. If you don't want to add in that cayenne pepper because you don't want the heat, leave it out and just make it a delicious candied bacon. I'm using a thicker slice of bacon here, and it gets a little messy, but what we're gonna do is simply dip our bacon in that mixture, kind of let some of that drip off, and then set that in our air fryer basket. And cook these just like before for 7 to 9 minutes. Let that bacon cool completely, and then either top your burger, eat it as a treat, make a bouquet of it, however you want to do it, you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.